Hi there, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be making the most delicious, soft and fudgy chocolate chip brownie cookies. This is by far one of my family's favorite desserts, especially my grandpa. He'll eat like 6 cookies in one day. The good thing is though, this recipe makes about 30 cookies, so there's plenty to go around. So I'm going to start off with 2 sticks of butter. These have been softening for a few hours. Next, I'm going to add in half a cup of brown sugar. Then I'm going to add in 1/4 of a cup of cane sugar. Now using an electric mixer, I'm going to whisk this for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the sugar is smooth. Now using a spatula, I'm just going to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Next, I'm going to add in 1/4 of a cup of coconut milk, but you can use any plant milk you like. Then I'm going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. I'm using 2 teaspoons of baking soda because the recipe will be doubled once we add in the brownie part. Next, I'm going to add in flour. Here I have 2 1/4 of a cup, and I'm going to start off by adding in about half, and then using my electric mixer, I'm going to whisk it to fully incorporate. I like doing this because I feel like it makes the cookies a lot softer by incorporating the ingredients fully before adding in all of the flour, because that's usually one of the last ingredients. Then I'm going to add in the rest of the flour and just go in by hand and mix this till all the flour is incorporated. Now that all the ingredients are fully incorporated, I'm going to add in only the most important ingredient, chocolate chips. Here I have about 1/3 of a cup, and I'm just going to fold these in until they're evenly spread out. Now that this is done, we're going to start the brownie part. Here I have 1 1/4 cup of chocolate that I've just melted over a double boiler. While the chocolate is still hot, I'm going to add in half a stick of sliced butter. The smaller the pieces, the easier it's going to melt. Now I'm just going to mix this and let the warmth of the chocolate melt the butter. As you can see, it's pretty thick, and that's how it's supposed to be. Now I'm going to add in 1/3 of a cup of cane sugar. Next, I'm going to add in 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Now I'm going to mix this all together. Next, I'm going to add in half a cup of unsweetened applesauce and then just mix that together. Then half a cup of gluten-free all-purpose flour. And lastly, a teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm gonna mix this until the flour is fully incorporated. If you're enjoying this recipe, then please make sure to like and subscribe so you can get notified anytime I post a new video. Now let's get back to the recipe. So here I have my chocolate chip batter and I'm going to mix in small amounts at a time. Now with my hands, I'm going to add in the rest, trying to get a little bit everywhere. And now we mix. Now I'm gonna pop this in the fridge to chill for an hour. So I've just taken my batter out of the fridge and as you can see, it's pretty stiff. This will make it a lot easier to scoop onto a tray. Using an ice cream scoop, I'm going to make the size of the cookies. I like to press the batter in and level it to make sure all the cookies are about the same size. I can fit 8 cookies perfectly on my tray. Now I like to press mine down a bit because I don't like the cookies too thick. This is completely optional though. Now I'm gonna pop these in the oven at 350 for 14 minutes. Now that the cookies are done, I'm gonna let these cool for a few minutes before serving. Thank you so much for watching and follow for more simple plant-based recipes.